And we're back to learning Affinity in a year day 80. Let me show you the contour stroke. We'll add it yet again to text element, but you can add it to any element. Once you've got the element, click on the FX option right there, activate outline and make sure the box is checked. I've shown you right here the solid color outline already. Use the radius to make it thicker. And in the last video, I've also shown you the gradient outline. This is usually a gradient from left to right, or at least in its default state. But in general, it's a gradient that goes from one side to the next. And when we switch here under fill type to contour, that gradient goes from the outside towards the inside of your element. So it's not left to right, top to bottom, or a diagonal gradient. Instead, it's a gradient that is generated at least via two strokes, and then they blend into one another. Let me zoom in a little bit, and you can see that here. The first gradient color is always positioned at 0%, so you cannot change the position. The second one always at 100%, and is then the in and outside of your stroke. You cannot change that position, but if you add more color stops, then you can change it. Midpoint is this little line between two color stops. So that's the transition point. It's usually at 50%. You can still adjust the opacity, the color, and then reverse it. So it works basically like any gradient, but the direction is now different, not left to right, top to bottom, but instead outside to inside. Afterwards, you can still change the fill color of your element, and this is how you can use this contour stroke in Affinity. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.